to the funding. The number one skill set, or the thing that separates the individuals who get the high funding approvals versus the ones who want instant gratification, is primarily mindset. And you may be saying, well, Luria, that is very easy. And I want to say, no, it's not. It's the hardest thing that a person would encounter when it comes to getting high funding approvals. Mindset. Because as humans, we really want to believe that it's the tactics and the strategies. And I'm here to tell you that only plays a very small, only 10%. 90% of your success is going to be the mindset. What does it take to get the high funding approval?